there you are once again. Good day everyone, it's me again, Lucy. I think you know we're having a plant tour with my friend. She's busy also doing her vlog. Since I love nature, I'm gonna give you a tour and walk around to feel the vibes of green scenery. So lumabas muna kami to get some fresh air and relax our minds. So join me guys in this activity.
A few moments later.
As what they said, nature embraces us and we embrace nature. We are the trees and the clouds and the waters. When you hug a tree, you're hugging yourself. We are human beings. Humans are part of nature. In nature, nothing is perfect and everything is perfect. Trees can contorted, bent in weird ways, and they're still beautiful. If you truly love nature, you will find beauty everywhere. Trees give peace to the souls of men. If the heat bothers you, plant a tree. If the waters bothers you, plant a tree. If you like fruit, plant a tree. If you like birds, plant a tree. And if you like life, plant many trees. Families are like branches on a tree. We grow in a different directions, yet our roots remain as one. Trees represent beautiful and resilient life. Stand proud, stand tall, go out and drink a lot of water and enjoy the view of nature. If you feel battered and stressed out, go out and relax your mind and get some fresh air to make your moods back again. Sometimes we are feeling so down and low, lalo na ngayong pandemic, so kailangan nating i-relax ang ating sarili, lumabas and walk around para makaralimot tayo sa mga nangyayari sa ating buhay at paminsan-minsan, ayan, i-feel natin ang magandang nature.
This is huge guys. Ang laki niya. Ang loob para siyang snake plants. Different kind of snake plants. This is the fine tree. Para siyang bamboo. This is the nature. Look at this. As you can see, a nice nature. This is sunflower. Ang lalaki guys ng puno ng akasya dito. Nakakainis. Ang ganda ng puno. Ang taas ng akasya. Ayan yung puno ng gulo. Ay grabe, ang ganda.
The next day.
Ayan, lumalakas na ang hangin. Bagyong Dante. Ayan, lumalakas na ang hangin. Bagyong Dante. Ayan, lumalakas na ang hangin. Bagyong Dante. Kumaingay. Nalakasan na po ng bagyo.
I hope my video give you a relaxing mood. See you until the next times, and don't forget the notification bell, guys. Thank you so much for watching. As what I'm saying, be you, be natural, and learn how